There are so many new products at IKEA this fall. I covered some of them in my latest video, but I've missed some of the best ones, so we're doing a part 2. We are starting off right away with their new headboard. This freestanding headboard made from rattan is so trendy and so beautiful. IKEA definitely follows the newest home design trends. The headboard is freestanding, so you don't need to fix it to the wall, which makes it renter friendly. You can also buy several of them and place them together to create a larger headboard. Another product from that same collection is this nightstand. Let me just say that this whole series will bring a piece of nature into your home. You can use this one as a side table or also use the removable trays for serving and storage. This neutral ceramic table lamp is another new product that I absolutely love. The textile fibers in this gorgeous beige color remind me of natural linen and will make any space feeling so cozy and inviting. Next one is this beautiful renter-friendly rack with strong suction cups in this forest green-gray color. This is such a practical storage solution for spices in your kitchen or soap and shampoo for your shower. And the best thing is you don't have to drill any holes thanks to the suction cup with a strong grip. There are a few products in this same collection and I'm linking all of them. This transparent shoebox is another new product at IKEA. This is such a smart storage solution and it's perfect if you want to take your shoe storage to the next level. You can stack several boxes on top of each other, storing everything nice and clean while showcasing your favorite shoes at the same time. Another new storage solution is this combination of frames and mesh boxes. This is such a sturdy and spacious storage solution that will make it easy to keep everything organized. And it comes in a few different shapes and colors. I'll make sure to link all of them below. Did you know that this fall you can buy a record player at IKEA? Kudos to another collection that caught my eye and is definitely worth mentioning. This one is centered around music and honestly I love every single detail of it. And this sculptural LED floor lamp that spreads an atmospheric light. This lamp has 3 different levels of light intensity that you can easily adjust as needed. I mentioned some of the new dining chairs in the last video, however I can't believe I missed this one. This one's so 70s, it comes in 3 different colors, this brown one, blue and a clear one. Also this one, which is made from acacia and a woven seat. It has curved back and generously sized woven seat that is both decorative, strong and comfortable to sit on. And we're back to rattan with this beautiful Ottoman with storage. This is such a nice piece of furniture that can be used in so many ways throughout your home. You can use it as a footrest, extra seating, or even as a table if you place a tray on top. Also, this wheeled laundry basket, which is honestly such a great product overall. Other than looking so beautiful, it's also a smart solution since 1. You can move it around as you please, and 2. It's lifted off the floor, which will prevent moisture from the floor damaging the basket. And probably the most beautiful storage solution I have ever seen at Ikea are these rattan boxes. You can keep these beauties under the bed, or you can stack them one on top of the other. And when we are talking about storage, check out this new Daybed with 2 drawers. This is another new collection at Ikea with so many options to choose from, especially for smaller spaces, so make sure to check it out. These black jars with lids are another cute new product you can find at Ikea. And last but not least, this beautiful glass serving plate. And that wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out part 1 since I had so many new products there, from mirrors to room dividers. You are going to love them. Also, the Christmas Ikea videos are coming soonish, so make sure to subscribe to never miss another video again. Till next time, designers!